Hello everyone, how are you? I hope that you are fine and dandy by the mercy of Almighty Allah. I'm passing very fantastic time with my English speaking partner. Right now I'm standing beside this main road. Today I'm going Ulipur market to buy some product. That's why I have thought I will practice my English in this place. That's why I'm practicing and I'm recording my English content. Today in this video I would like to share with you how we can think in English every single day. You know that when you are beginner, you first of all you have to think in English every single day. If you do not think in English every day, you will not be able to improve yourself. You will not be able to learn English quickly without think in English. How to think in English every single day. For example, today I will go Ulipur market. Today I will buy some product for my shop. Today I will go my relative home. Tomorrow I will buy some product for my family. Tomorrow I will go my relative home. Tomorrow I will go my school. Like this way you can think in English every single day. If you want, you can follow another tips. When you will eat rice or when you will eat something, you try to think in English when you will eat. It is the best way for you. You know that there is no substitute to learn English quickly without think in English. For that, when I was staying in my house, that time I have thought I will go in this place. At the same time I will practice my English and I will share with my students this matter. It is very important for our every students. Side by side every day you try to practice your English in front of your camera or in front of your mirror. I hope that success will come definitely. Side by side today I want to share with you when I make English video in front of my camera in public place, I forget some sentence, I forget some vocabulary, I forget some voice. Why I forget this sentence, why I forget this vocabulary? Because you know that I'm not fluent in English. That's why every day I have to forget this matter. As you can see, this is my uncle. He is going Bakorer Hat market by this road and he seeing my face. He is seeing my face and he is laughing. It doesn't matter. You know that I'm English learner. For that, every day I have to practice my English. Come to the point why I forget some sentences, because I'm not fluent in English. For that, when I make English video, I always make mistakes and I always can't remember some vocabulary. I always forget some tense. It is a common matter for me because I'm not fluent in English. For that, every day I forget this vocabulary. It is very important for me. You know that English is not hard language for us. If you practice your English every single day, I hope that by making mistakes, by recording your English video, you can improve yourself. You can learn English quickly like this way. If you want, you can follow me like me. You can practice your English like me. You can think in English every single day. I hope that you can good speaker if you practice, if you think in English, if you practice your English every single day in front of your camera. See you next video. I don't want to make it more longer because long video is so hard for our students because they don't see long video. For that I have taken decision. I will make short video for our students. See you next video. Best luck for everyone.